Hello viewers and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing great. So today we are going to learn for loop in JavaScript. What is for loop and how does for loop work and what is the purpose to use for loop? Everything I will describe with detail, and also we will learn two keywords in loop: break and continue. Exactly why do we use break and continue keyword in JavaScript? I also will describe everything in this video. So before I start to learn follow, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, because if you subscribe my channel, it's inspire me to create my next video. Okay, so that's super. I believe that you have already subscribed my channel, and also I hope that you will watch end of the video. Okay, so let's begin to learn loop. So at the first, you need to understand exactly what is loop. So you need to understand what is loop. So if I tell you that loop is a task, is a task means this is a task with a condition. For example, if I tell you that loop for repeated tasks based a condition, it means that we use loop to repeat a block of code. If I give example, I hope you will understand what is loop. For example, I want to show a message for 10 times or 100 times or 1000 times. Then what I can do? Then I can use loop. Okay, so it's just a simple example. Don't worry, I will give you a more example which will help you to understand loop. But you need to know there are four kind of loop in JavaScript. They are called for loop, while loop, do while loop, and foreign loop. But keep it in your mind that it's mostly used in array. Okay, so how we can use this loop in array, I also will give you the example. Don't worry. So at the first, let me create a for loop basic syntax structure. So this is the basic syntax structure of for loop. Okay, so let me describe. So what is the syntax? So at the first, declare a variable, and variable value is 0 and variable name is index. Okay, that's fine. And this is the condition. What is the condition? The condition is array.length will be less than index. For example, what will be the index? Then array.length will be less than. When this condition will be fulfilled, then index number will be increased step by step. Okay, so now if I just console log this the whole thing that element, what do you think? I will get value or I will get output as an error? What do you think? Okay, so let me show you. It means that I got error. What is the error? Array is not defined. I declare array, but I didn't define array. That's a problem. All right. So here we can put our own condition. What will be our own condition? My condition will be train. 10 index number will be less than train. Okay. So what is our index? Our variable name? Our variable name is index. All right. Okay. I can also provide our variable name index. Okay, that's cool. Now if I run the code, it means that I got output. What is the output? I got output 0 to 9. Okay, that's super. And I also can declare my variable value from start from 1. If I provide this type of variable, this means that uh, my array, my loop will be start from 1 to 9. All right. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so and if I would like to console log out of the local scope, what do you think? I will get this. I will get access of this bear or bear of this function or not? No, I didn't get access out of the scope. All right, because element is not defined. Why? Because this is a local scope, and out of the scope I will not get any chance to get access of my variable, okay, of my function. So this is called localized scope, because in the localized scope, everything you have to do in this whole scope, you don't have the right to do something out of the scope. Okay, so this is the thing I did here. So if you want to change this index, this variable name, also can do that. I'm going to change this variable name, and I'm just providing I, because just I feel comfortable with this type of basic structure, basic syntax. Okay, so fine. Now, if I can provide this type of condition, I also can provide if statement condition. All right, in this in the inside the for loop. So what will be the my if statement? I want to provide that I equal 5. When I equal 5, then something will be happen. What will be happen? I can say 5. Sorry, 5. 5 is the best number. 5 is the best number. All right. Okay. So now if we run the code, which condition will be executed first, our if statement or our loop element, which one will be executed first? What do you think? Okay, so if you understand the logic, and you will understand this thing, when I below will be 5, then if statement will be executed, otherwise our loop will continue. All right, okay, just let me run the code. What is happening there? Okay, so let me show you. Our loop start from 1, 2, 3, 4. But when this I below equal 5, then something happened. We got we this loop fulfill this condition. Right? What is the condition? I equal 5. When I equal 5, then I want to show this console log. This is happening here. And also after that, when this condition had been fulfilled, then my loop start again from 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9. And but I declare 10, but I got 9 because I tell that I below will be less than 10, not equal 10. If I provide equal, then I will get 1 to 10. Yeah, I got 1 to 10. All right. Okay, so there's this super. I think you understand how does a loop work. Okay, no worry. I am also providing you another example which also will help you to understand loop. Okay, so let me create um, basic loop syntax. Okay, here I want to provide my own variable name I. Okay, my what is the condition? My condition will be my I below will be less than train. Okay, that's fine. So what we did in our first loop, in first loop, we provide this if statement inside the loop. If we can provide any statement inside the loop, we also can provide inside the same loop inside the parents loop. What do you think? Okay, so let me provide exactly what will be happen. Don't worry. Okay, so let me create another for loop inside our parents loop. This is outer and this is inner. Okay, so here I also want to provide my own variable name p, just for understanding. Okay, and what will be our condition? My condition will be less than train. Okay, that's fine. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the outer, and this is the inner loop. This is the outer loop. Okay, so I want to console log something. What I want to console log? For example, I can say, oh, your outer loop below is what? I want to provide dynamic below I. All right. Okay, that's cool. And in this inner loop, I also can provide same console log, but it will be inner loop. All right. I don't want your inner loop below is what? Below will be p. So this is the parents, is the child. This is the inner. Am I right? So in the inner loop, we have the right to get access outer loop. What do you think? Because this is a parent and his child. In the child can get access parents value, but but parents don't have parents is unable to get access child value. All right. Okay. So it means that we have the right to get access parents value. What is our parent value? Outer value is what is our outer variable name? I. All right. Okay. Okay. So let's run the code, and then you will understand the magic. Let me run the code. Wow, that's superb. And we got a huge amount of information in our terminal. All right. Okay. Because let's explain exactly what happened in there. Okay. So let me explain something. So at the first, our variable value is 1, 0. Right. Okay. Fine. And when this variable is 0 and it comes to our this condition or fulfill this condition, when it's come the next step here, and here this loop got another condition. When this full condition will be fulfilled, then is will go back in the first condition for fulfill the second condition. Am I right? This is the happening here. For example, when this variable is our value is 0 and it's come to the next step to make his variable value is 1, here he got another condition. What is the condition? Same, the condition is our variable value will be less than 10, right? So this loop will run for 10 times. When it will run for 10 times, then it will execute for one time our parents or outer loop. This is happening here. For example, outer value is 0. Okay, that's fine. And if you want to be a variable value is 1, is our inner function or our inner loop run for 9 times, 10 times, 0 to 9. Okay, so if I provide 1, then you understand. Also, if I provide equal, then you understand easily. No worry. Okay, sorry. Okay, and if I provide equal, then you understand easily. Okay, so what is happening? Sorry. Okay, so from here, outer value is 1. Am I right? Okay. So but inner for loop run for 10 times. Why? Because when this condition will be fulfilled, then our loop start from first, and it will go back in our first to complete his second condition. All right. Like the same way, after he will count that this loop will come to the next step or complete the third condition, like the way. For example, when this outer value is 2, then inner loop run for 10 times. When outer loop is 3, and inner loop run for 3 times. Am I right? Yeah, like the way. This is outer value. I think you understand exactly how does loop work. Okay, so don't worry. I'm going to give you another example for understand with better. Okay, let me console again. So we declare I, all right? Okay, so here I want to into something. What I into? uh, a p, sorry, p, what I into p. Okay, that's super. Okay, so if I run the code, then you will understand. Okay, so super. And here, what is happening there? Let me explain. Don't worry. So our outer loop and our inner loop. All right. Okay. So when this outer loop value is 1, but inner loop is one loop value is 1 to 9. All right. Okay. Okay, so when the outer loop value is 2 but inner value is 1 to train. Why? Because when this outer loop will execute one time, then for fulfill his next condition, this inner loop will run for 10 times. Then parent loop or outer loop will be run for one time and it will fulfill just one step. Okay, like the same way, when this outer loop value is 4 and our inner loop run for 10 times. For step for outer loop for being step the next step 5. When this outer value will be 5, then our inner value will be 1 or inner function inner loop will be run for 1 to 10 times. Am I right? So I think you understand exactly what I'm trying to understand you. Okay. Okay, so let me provide you another example about a loop. I told you that mostly we use loop in array, right? Okay, so create a for loop. Super. Okay, so if I create a array, my array equal, if I create a my array a b C. Okay. So what is our array name? Our array declare with my array. All right. So let me change the name my array, and it's also you have to change my array. Super. Now, if I console log element, what do you think? What do you think? Okay, so let me try to get output. Assume that I got this my array value, right? A, B, and C. So this is in this array start from index number 0, 1, 2. Okay, if I give you the length of this array, then you understand my array dot my array dot add length. Yeah, my dot length. Sorry. Yeah, their length is 3. All right. So in the array, index number I start from 0, 1, 2. If I give you that, if I tell you that to find out my variable, my index number 0, okay, and if I run the code, then I got A. A is the index number 0. If I provide 2. True. But if I provide, we got two variable, two index number, 3c, all right? Okay. If I declare 3 undefined, because there is the only two index number is 0 to 2, right? 1, 2, 3. There are three array, but start from 0, 1, 2. They don't have any index number 3. So that's the reason we got undefined, right? Okay, so if I would like to console log 1 index number, then I got 1b, right? Okay, so I think you understand. Okay, so how to find out the length of array and how to find out the index number of array in loop. Okay, now this is the time to use a break. Here we can break and a continue. So and T, C and T, I and you continue. So what is the purpose to use break and continue? I'm going to give example. Okay, cool. And here, okay, if I my what our condition, I let me provide a condition. What is our condition? Condition will be index number will be uh, less than 20. Sorry, less than 20. Now, if I provide the if statement here, what? If index equal 6, if index equals 6, I want to console log that 6 is a detected number. So 6 is detected, and here 6 is a detected number. Six is a detected number. Okay, and if I also console log my variable int index value, or index value is what? Mm, x index. All right. Okay. So super. If I run the code, it's mean that I got some output. All right, 0 to 9. Already we know that how I did that, because I already work with this condition in our first step. All right, in the first loop. Okay, this is not the main point. What is the main point? Our main point is to use break. So if I use break in here, what will be happen? So let me run the code. It's been that we got this output is 6 is a detected number, and when this index number get 6, then this loop had been stopped. Why? For example, if you have 1,000 of product and you want to show in a page just for 10 product, other product you would like to show in another page, what you have to do, then you have to pagination. Am I right? That's the reason we use break, and I told this condition that when index number will be 6, then you have to stop. It's mean break. You have to take a break, and you don't need to show another or more better or more below. Am I right? Okay. So that's a reason we use break. Superb. And there is also a keyword. It's called continue. Why we use continue? Continue we use mean, for example, I told that you have to break, but you will take a break and then you also will run. That's the reason we use break. Continue. It means that our loop start from 0, and it's when it's complete 6, stop in there, but start again from 7 to 9. All right, so this is the way we use break and continue, and also this is the way work for loop. I hope you already understand exactly how does for loop work, and also how to work break and continue, what is the purpose to use break and continue. So viewers, thank you so much for your time. I hope you understand how to work for loop, and also how to work break and continue.